Welcome to Crypto EP115, the home of value and good information when it comes to cryptocurrency trading and investment. Yes, this is the Bitcoin and Breakfast show where we trade it and we do not gamble it. On today's show, we're going to talk about a lot of things, especially Bitcoin. As you can see on my screen right now, BTC is trading at 94,331. What do we need to do? Do we need to get back into the market now? And we're going to take a look at the other asset too. Stick around and don't go nowhere because I'm going to share all this with you. Also, we're going to take a look at the news quickly. We're going to take a look at the market cap. We're going to take a look at fear and greed index. That's a sentiment regarding how people are perceiving the cryptocurrency market. And we're going to look at the cryptocurrency market cap as well. If we're close to 4 trillion celebration, I have been talking about. Also, we're going to check the economic calendar out. We know today is Tuesday and is the Christmas Eve, you understand, which a lot of things might happen for celebration of Christmas tomorrow. And by the way, happy Christmas and enjoy yourself tomorrow. Happy Christmas in advance. All right, we're going to take a look at the chart later and check the fear and greed index out as well. These are more what we're going to be looking at the show today. My name is Ahmed Oladmeji Kazim, aka KC the Great. And if you're just joining the show, thanks for joining. Please subscribe to the channel. If you've not subscribed, like and share, and do not forget to turn on your notification bell so you can be part of this great thing that is happening on the radar. Also, you can follow me on X for more information regarding the crypto market and all what is happening in the crypto space. Also, you can follow me on Facebook, follow me on Instagram, and on TikTok to get some nugget as you drop in immediately. All right, let's dive into today's news and check the news that are making up the radar. And I told you we're gonna talk a lot about BTC today. Why? Because Bitcoin keeps falling. Is it going to continue the downturn like this, or we're going to have a place where we are going to have a support? You understand? The market will start moving back up. We're going to discuss that on the chart segment. But right now, let's check what the news looks like. All right, first of all, if you look at the news on the radar right now, record bill of 14 billion Bitcoin options expiry looms as market looks highly leveled up. And if you don't know what option means, option simply means when people pay some amount down for some cryptocurrency like advance, then when they have within 6 months or 3 months or 1 year to now buy or sell it. Some they like to buy if it's in their favor, some they like to sell if it's against them. So we have about 14 billion Bitcoin options expiring looms as market looks highly leveled up. So that is big thing to look at. Also, talking about Bitcoin as well, also if you look at BTC right now, Bitcoin ETF shared 1.2 billion US dollars in 3 trading days as altcoin outperforms BTC. You can see just about negative news coming BTC way before the Xmas, but we do not give up crypto, guys. We're still going to take a look at the chart and see if there's opportunity for us to get into the market. Another news on the radar is Meta Technologies to utilize Bitcoin as treasury reserve assets. That's another great news coming out of BTC, and we're still on BTC. And this one says Bitcoin lull could spur altcoin rally with 90K considered attractive buying area. And this is true because if you look at the chart now, we tested that zone before. We went up, we broke above a little bit to 108. Now we're falling back. I believe probably we're coming down to now have a double top around that 90K, and that's what a lot of people might be waiting for, especially those that took profit at 108. But what do you need to do? We're going to talk about that shortly in the chart segment. All right, let's check more news regarding BTC. And this one says institutional Bitcoin holdings surge to 31%. ETFs, government, MicroStrategy lead the chart. You can now see the institutions are now in the game, guys. And this is where we need to be careful, just like when you're trading forex, because it's been controlled by these institutions. That's why you see a lot of manipulations and all of that going in. And now they are now in Bitcoin through ETFs, and some crypto government seized, and they want to use it as a national reserve. We all know about MicroStrategy. It's been listed on NASDAQ 100, and it keeps on buying this. And speaking about government, we all know about El Salvador president. He keeps buying BTC. So this is the time not for you to panic, or not for you to reason, am I too late? Can I sell my Bitcoin now or some? No, but you need to be careful. And that's why I bring this show to you every day, to inform you, to educate you, to let you guys know that we have big giants now coming into the game. The moment they can pack a lot, they control it like the native or the fiat that we don't want. So that's why if you have BTC, do not sell. You understand? Or when you sell strategically and buy back before they lay their hands on it. All right, let's check more news regarding BTC. And this is Bitcoin price volatility, bullish Dogecoin prediction, and more bit recap. So in this one now, they're just saying there is a lot of volatility going on in the BTC space, and that is true. Let's check more news, and this is coming out from an exchange. This is Robinhood, and this one is all about Robinhood holding Bitcoin comes up from time to time. You see, Robinhood holding Bitcoin come from time to time. All right, let's check more news out. And this one is Chainlink unveil MEV recapture solution for DeFi, and Link jumps 9%. Let's check more news, guys. And this one is the protocol. Trump makes more pro-crypto appointment. We all know Donald Trump has been doing the most when it comes to cryptocurrency appointment, and you can all agree with me, is doing what he promised us, and I think we all love that. All right, let's check more news out before we move to the event of the day. And this one is, hold on, I think my laptop is slowing down. All right, yeah, here we go. MicroStrategy seller defend buying Bitcoin at the top. We all know this guy keeps buying BTC even above 100k, guys. This guy keep buying Bitcoin above 100k. That is crazy. That is crazy, guys. Let's check another news out. Let's check another news out. And if you've not subscribed to the channel, guys, you might want to do that right now. You can subscribe to the TikTok, Instagram, and all of that. Yes, another news on the radar right now is MicroStrategy seeks shares increase by billions for more Bitcoin purchase, and that is another great news. Like I said, you can follow the channel if you've not subscribed to the channel. It's CryptoBit101, the home of value and good information when it comes to cryptocurrency trading and investment. All right, another news on the radar, and this is Ethereum ETA just lost important level. Solana drops to vital level. Shiba Inu ends a new beginning. So we're going to take a look at all of this in the chat segment shortly, and we're going to know if we need to get out of Solana, if we need to get out of Ethereum or Shiba Inu and other altcoin shortly. So don't go nowhere. The chart analysis will come in. Take a look at that on the chart as well. All right, let's check another news, and this one is another altcoin. This is XRP price fresh surge. Bulls get up for action. We're going to take a look at XRP as well, and that's the fear and greed index. We're still going to come back to that later, but right now let's check what the economic calendar looks like today. And you can see it's bank holiday in Australia, bank holiday in New Zealand, and bank holiday in Europe. We all know it's Christmas Eve. Tomorrow is Christmas, and Merry Christmas to all of you. So we don't have much news today, so we might as well not just panic and follow the charts, the patterns that we're going to see on the chart, since there's no fundamental news that could shake up the market for us. All right, having said that, let's go now and check the cryptocurrency market cap. And if you look at the cryptocurrency market cap right now, we are sitting on 3.4 trillion US dollars, still same as yesterday, because Bitcoin and other altcoins keeps falling. But we're going to take a look at them and take a look at the meme coins too, for the lovers of meme coins to know if we need to get into all those things right now. So the market cap is sitting at 3.4 trillion. Our 4 trillion target is still on the way, and I bet you we are going to hit 4 trillion US dollars. All right, let's go to the top 16, top 15 thereabout that we normally do on the show. And this one is BTC still remain number 1, ETH at number 2, Theta at number 3, XRP number 4, BNB number 5, Solana at number 6, Dogecoin at number 7, USDC at number 8, Lido Stake at number 9, Cardano at number 10, Tron at number 11, Avalanche at number 12, Chainlink at number 13, Ton is now at number 14, Wrap ETH at number 15, Sui at number 16, and Shiba Inu is being pushed down to number 17. And you can agree with me, all the markets are in danger. You can see it's all red, guys. See, all red. So the market is bleeding, and that's why you can see the cryptocurrency market cap keep dropping. And even the king of the game, which is the king of cryptocurrency, BTC, is now at 1.8 billion, no, excuse me, 1.8 trillion US dollars. We are now trading below 2 trillion US dollars. That is insane, guys. But don't worry, we're going to take a look at the chart right now and see what we need to do. But before we do that, if you're still watching the show to this time, thank you. Kudos to you. Please subscribe to the channel. It's Crypto Bin 101. Let's hit 10,000 US dollar before the end of the year, so the algorithm can always push our content ahead. Also, you can follow me on X to get more news regarding the space. You can follow me on Facebook, follow me on Instagram, and also on TikTok for nuggets, so you can be informed and well equipped when it comes to the space. All right, let's dive into the chart quickly, and this is what the chart is looking like right now. You can see on my screen we have BTC trading at 94,444 US dollars. When I started, it was around 94,300, but you know, it's just moving around the corner. So the question is, do you need to buy BTC now? No. BTC is not a buy yet. Stay out of BTC. BTC is not a buy yet. Where you now need to buy BTC now is now 96 at 90, excuse me, the green one, yeah, is at 96,500 thereabout. That is where I'll tell you. So if you break this zone today, you can buy BTC. But if you do not break it, please and please stay out of Bitcoin right now. Stay out of what? Stay out of BTC right now. All right, let's check Ethereum. ETH right now is a buy. Yes, ETH just created a buy. So you can buy ETH right now. But remember, put your stop loss here. Your stop loss is at 3,200 thereabout. You can buy ETH right now. Ethereum just give us a boom yesterday, activating the buy. If you look at the structure now, this is a buy, but remember your stop loss is at 3,200. So you can get into Ethereum right now at 3,400, but make sure you sell if the market come down and break 3,200. Let's check Sui out. Let's check Sui out. Yes, Sui is a buy as well. Sui is a buy as well. Sui is a buy as well. And that's the stop loss. Let's check out XRP. Let's check out XRP. XRP is not a buy yet. XRP is not a buy yet. This is where you need to get into XRP. If XRP should go above 2.28, you can get into XRP, and that is where you need to sell at 2.212. All right, let's check out Avalanche. Avalanche is a buy. Avalanche is a buy. Avalanche is now a buy, and the stop loss is right there. Avalanche is a buy now, guys. You can buy Avalanche now, and that's where you need to sell. If Avalanche should break 35, sell. AAVE is obviously a buy. You know, I told you yesterday, buy at 342. So if you follow my signal now, you should be winning big on AAVE, because that's why I put the green card and I put the stop loss here yesterday, that if you break there, get into the market, and AAV is still a buy, but the stop loss now will now be right here. That's where you have the stop loss. Now let's check Solana out. Solana 2 is a buy. You can see the green candle. I told you if Solana break 187 yesterday, you should buy, but now the stop loss is here. Solana is now a buy. I think all altcoins are now gearing for a buy. Let's check out ADA. ADA also is a buy. Stop loss for ADA is now here. Is now 0.85. Let's check out Toncoin. Toncoin is a buy too. You guys, man, you need to give me a round of applause, because I told you I'm always right 99, or let me say 90 to 95%. Remember, this is not financial advice anyways, for educational purpose and entertainment, but with my years of experience in the game, that's why I am able to predict absolutely right. So make sure you do your own research and trade with the money you can afford to lose. You can see it's a buy and it still remain a buy, but the stop loss now need to change. The stop loss is now right there, so that's why we have the stop loss now. The stop loss is now at 5.28. So that's that on the altcoins and BTC. Please and please, if you have any other altcoins you want me to always take a look at, you might want to share them with me. I'm going to take a look at them and add it to the portfolio or to the show, so you can learn one or two. Now let's move into the meme coins, and we're going to start with Dogecoin. Dogecoin is a buy, guys. Dogecoin is a buy. Buy Dogecoin now and put your stop loss or sell at 0.302. Let's check out Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu also is a buy now, and your stop loss is going to be 0.02. Shiba Inu is a buy, guys. Pepe also is a buy, but you need to move the stop loss right now to 0.000018. Pepe is a buy, guys. Let's check out Ondo. Ondo is a buy as well. You can see it crossed my green light. It's a buy, but you need to get out of the market if it crossed below 1.54. Let's check X out. X is not a buy yet. X is not a buy yet. X will be a buy if it breaks above 0.00016. X is not a buy yet. Don't get into X. Let's check out Nero. Nero is a buy now, guys. Nero is a buy. Why? The stop loss is now here. Nero is a buy now. Stop loss is at 0.0061. Let's check out DOGE. DOGE is a buy, but the stop loss has to now be right there, 0.00055. DOGE is a buy. Let's check out Nero. Nero is a buy as well, but the stop loss is now right. Excuse me, no, Nero is not a buy. It didn't break out yet. Nero is not a buy, so we'll be waiting for Nero to break 0.044. Then we'll put our stop loss right there. Nero is not a buy yet. Let it break 0.046 thereabout. That's when we can get into it. Let's check out Deep. Deep, yesterday I told you it's a buy, and the stop loss still remain the same. The stop loss didn't change. Let's check out RSR. RSR is a buy. The stop loss is now almost the same place as 0.01. Let's check out Popcat. Popcat is a buy, guys, and now We have the stop loss to be right there. Let me delete all this one so we do not get confused. Popcat is a buy now, guys, and you need to put the stop loss right there. The stop loss is now at 0.78. You can see Rose is a buy and the stop loss is now at 0.07. Let's check out CKB. CKB is a buy, stop loss to remain at the same place. RSR, let's zoom this up to see if it's a buy or not. Let's zoom this up to see if it's a buy or not. Yes, it's a buy and our stop loss is now right there. So Reef is a buy as well and our stop loss is right here. So mostly all the meme coins, I think they've activated the buy. So make sure you set where you need to sell. Remember, this is for spot traders and investors, not for derivatives, option margin traders and other leverage trading. If you want to get into leverage trading and margin trading, option trading, derivatives and futures, join my Telegram. The links is down in the description, or join my Discord channel. The links is also down in the description, so you can get that one on hourly, 2 hourly, and all of that. But this is for investors and people that are buying and holding it. So I teach them when to buy. They hold it till I tell them sell. They put in the USD again. When it's time to buy, they buy again. Then they keep increasing their portfolio. And if you've been following my signals on this regarding investing and spot trading, you cannot lie, you've been making a lot of money. And thanks for all of you that have been reaching out to me on my DM saying thank you. I appreciate you guys, and that's the reason why I keep doing more. So that's that on the chart analysis today. If you have any other thing you want me to share with you regarding the chart analysis, please comment down in the comment section. Let me know the token you want me to talk about, you want me to analyze for you. Maybe your favorite project is not on the list. I can add them to it if you let me know what they are. All right, that's what I have for you in chat analysis. Let's now go check the sentiment properly. And the fear and greed index today is still greed, sitting at 73. And you can see now it's greed. Yesterday was greed, last week was greed, and last month was definitely extreme greed. Sorry, last week was extreme greed as well. So the sentiment is still great. So you might see a little small volatility. I'm just waiting for us to fall into fear, because once we get to fear, yes, we now know it's time to start accumulating our extreme fear. But are we going to get there? We're going to keep checking this on the show every day. All right, it's the eve of the Christmas. Please make sure you share the Christmas with your loved ones, spread love, share with people that don't have, and give to others if you have in abundance. That's what Christmas and all the celebration festive period are all about. All right, without wasting our time, that's what I have for you on the show today. I still remain myself, Ahmed Oladimeji Kazeem, aka KC the Great. Please, if you've not subscribed to the channel, you might want to do that right now. It's Crypto B101, the home of value and good information when it comes to cryptocurrency trading and investment. Also, you can follow me on X for more news. You can follow me on Facebook for nugget. Also, you can follow me on Instagram and on TikTok for more nuggets, so you can get all the beautiful information that we're sharing from the crypto space. All right, enjoy your Christmas, spread love until I catch you on another wonderful episode of the Bitcoin and Breakfast Show, where we trade it and we do not gamble it. Peace out.